Hello everyone, the U.S. Department of State has released the September 2024 Visa Bulletin, which outlines priority date cutoffs that determine immigrant visa availability for adjustment of status applications and consular immigrant visa filings. For September 2024, the USCIS will use the Final Action Dates chart for employment-based (EB) filings. As you know, the chart indicates when adjustment of status or immigrant visa applications can be approved and permanent residence granted. Applicants must have a priority date earlier than the listed cutoff date for their preference category and country to be eligible. If you are interested in any of these topics, please stick around till the end of this video for your immigration updates. If you are liking this video, please hit the subscribe button where you like this video and click the bell icon so that you can instantly receive any new updates right on your YouTube homepage on your smartphone or smart device. Before moving into October 2024 prediction, let's quickly look at a brief summary of September 2024. For the employment-based first preference, EB1, category, cutoff dates remain current for all chargeability areas, Mexico, and the Philippines, while China and India maintain cutoff dates of November 1, 2022, and February 1, 2022, respectively. In the employment-based second preference, EB2, category, cutoff dates are unchanged, March 15, 2023, for most areas, March 1, 2020, for China, and July 15, 2012, for India. The employment-based third preference, EB3, category sees a one-year retrogression to December 1, 2020, for most areas, while China and India remain at September 1, 2020, and October 22, 2012, respectively. For other workers, cutoff dates slightly retrogress to December 1, 2020, for most areas, remain at January 1, 2017, for China, October 22, 2012, for India, and May 1, 2020, for the Philippines. Due to rising demand for employment-based visas, the Department of State anticipates that most categories will reach their annual visa limit by September 2024. Once this occurs, categories will be marked unavailable, halting further visa number requests until the new fiscal year begins on October 1, 2024. The October 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions indicate continued challenges for those waiting in employment-based and family-based green card categories. With 165,000 green cards available for employment categories in fiscal year 2024, down from 197,000 in FY 2023 but above the 140,000 mandated by law, the backlogs are expected to persist. The time to obtain a green card largely depends on the petition category and the applicant's country of birth. Below is a detailed analysis of the predicted movements for family-based and employment-based categories in October 2024. Family-based categories, October 2024 predictions for family-based categories. The predictions suggest gradual movements forward in priority dates, though delays and backlogs remain significant. F1, unmarried adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. The prediction for October 2024 suggests modest forward movement of 2 to 4 weeks for Mexico and all other countries, and 4 to 6 weeks for the Philippines. F2A, spouses and minor, unmarried sons and daughters of LPRs, expected advancements are 6 to 8 weeks for Mexico, and 2 to 3 months for all other countries. F2B, unmarried adult sons and daughters of LPRs, predictions include forward movement of 8 to 10 weeks for Mexico, 2 to 4 weeks for the Philippines, and 2 to 3 weeks for all other countries. F3, married adult sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, dates may advance 6 to 8 weeks for Mexico, 1 to 3 weeks for the Philippines, and 2 to 4 weeks for all other regions. F4, brothers and sisters of U.S. citizens, expected progress includes 1 to 2 weeks for Mexico and India, 4 to 6 weeks for the Philippines, and 1 to 2 weeks for all other countries. Despite these anticipated movements, significant backlogs continue to impact wait times, particularly for countries with high demand such as Mexico, India, and the Philippines. The lengthy waiting periods reflect the ongoing strain of numerical and per-country caps, with waits extending beyond 15 years for certain categories. Employment-based categories, October 2024 predictions in employment-based categories. The October 2024 predictions forecast continued high demand, necessitating possible retrogressions to maintain compliance with the annual limits. EB1, priority workers. While priority dates for India are expected to retrogress by 4 to 5 months, China might see a 2 to 3 week advancement, with all other countries remaining current. EB2, members of the professions holding advanced degrees or persons of exceptional ability. Predictions suggest minimal progress of 1 to 2 weeks for India and China, and 2 to 3 weeks for other countries. EB3, professionals and skilled workers. Predicted movements include 1 to 2 weeks for India, 2 to 3 weeks for China, and 2 to 4 weeks for other regions. Given the high demand, especially in EB2 and EB3 categories, there is a likelihood of retrogression to manage the allocation within the fiscal limits. The Department of State has indicated that if demand continues to exceed available numbers, adjustments will be necessary, and categories may become unavailable until the new fiscal year starting October 1, 2024. Overall, the October 2024 Visa Bulletin predictions highlight slow yet steady forward movements in family-based categories, while employment-based categories may see minor advancements or potential retrogressions due to high demand. These movements underscore the persistent challenges posed by the numerical caps and per-country limitations, which continue to create significant delays for many applicants. That's all we have for you in this bulletin. I hope you found this video useful. We will continue to keep a close eye on the developments as immigration-related updates and will publish new videos when there are more updates. The U.S. Immigration News Channel provides all necessary visa information and procedures for your U.S. immigration journey. It is important to understand the United States immigration processing steps, visa application requirements, processing times, forms, fees, and more. We will continue to provide all information about U.S. visitor visas such as B1 and B2, work visas such as L1A, L1B, and H1B, student visas, green cards, immigrant visas, EB1, EB2, EB3, EB4, and EB5, and family immigrant visas. Thank you for visiting us today, and we'll see you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe channel for more U.S. immigration update videos.